Recording.
This is Officer Golinski and Officer Gillespie is training officer. They're going to be the ones handling the investigation report type thing. Okay. And then one car crash up against the building, speedometer frozen at 72. Okay.
No, we're going to put it at...
deceased inside the car.
Oh, yeah.
Another deceased inside the quad. Okay. And then the survivor is the driver and she got life sentence. Okay. We're still having trouble IDing that. Okay. Once he's out, we'll try to, we're going to look at his tattoo. Okay. We got found some cases.
Okay. I should have transport here soon.
Okay.
My name doesn't have the N at the end, that's the only thing.
Okay.
Britannia?
It's misprinted. I don't know why.
And then there's another guy with a ball cap. He's one of our officers. He does the traffic crash investigation stuff.
Okay, sounds good. I'm going to get a picture of the street sign, and then I guess I can do the guy in the squad, because I'm sure they want to leave.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we even need to do the checklist? No, you can just fill it out afterwards, possibly.
Oh, we do need to fill it out.
No, you don't. It's only to give them information, so we're good. I don't. No, you don't have to worry about it.
The only thing we mentioned is maybe they might have drugs in their system or something.
Yeah. I mentioned you were about
Thing. Sure, I didn't know if you have alcohol.
So, yeah, when I get that kid later, don't worry about the 2 and 3 hours. She's unpacked and but now if the parents there and give them a hard time, then we can mark a refusal and deal with it then. That way it would be an impossible case to prove, probably, because we have no evidence and nothing. But, yeah, I'll just, I don't know, or if, maybe I can get on it with you. I don't know.
Mike, do you want this at all?
It's for private property.
Alright. I just want to make sure.